Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add OEX on Trust Wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to open up your browser and log on to coingecko.com. Once there, simply search for the OpenEx network token, which is OEX. Scroll through and copy its contract address, which is on the Core DAO network. So copy this. Now minimize and open up your Trust Wallet. So make sure you set up your Trust Wallet accordingly. And with your Trust Wallet opened up, use the search option to simply search for OEX. If you can't find the token here, you then click on the network toggle at the top right, which says manage crypto. Search for OEX again. In case the network is turned off or the token is turned off, you would find it here. If you can't find it, click on the plus icon. Alright guys, welcome to the import crypto option, and we have the network tab here. With this option, you could manually add networks and cryptocurrencies on Trust Wallet. Alright, so I've done this already in a previous video on our channel, so please use the link in the description to find out how you can add the Core DAO or the Core network to your Trust Wallet. So make sure you use that link. It's going to be in the description of the video. All right, so since I already have the network, all I need to do is click on the tokens option here where we have network that says Ethereum. Click on Ethereum and simply search for Core. Once you search for Core, select the Core blockchain, and then where we have address, simply paste the contract address we had copied from CoinGecko. And then for the name, you'd have to manually enter the name, which is the OpenEx network token. The symbol is OEX and the decimals are 18. Now simply click on the import option. So once you select import, the token has been added. All right, so now your next step, in order to find this token, use the search option again, search for OEX, and you'd find the OpenEx network token. So click on this and boom, here we go. You could use this option to receive. You could use this option to send out via your address. Alright guys, that's how you can simply add the OEX token to your wallet. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe.